Hey guys, we're gonna do this snowman song without a brief. So what's that? I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow. Till death will be freezing, yeah, you are my home of all season. Come on, let's go, let's hide below zero and hide from the sun. I'll love you forever and we have some fun. I almost probably will die. I also have a cold, so I know that I sound really bad, but still, I have cold. I did sound really bad. I agree with it. I agree because at the last I sound like a dying duck. Yeah, sorry for that, you guys. But why is it 12:16 right now?